All right, guys, well, we got the 7.3 in the shop today. Little break from the Bronco situation. This completely changed 100% since last time, I think. Completely different, but we'll get to that. We got the 7.3 in the shop today because we're going to do a couple of things we really haven't done or we were supposed to do. Don't mind the hair. I lost my hat. I don't know where it is. Pretty much down here, we've got the thermostat, and it is completely stuck open. This truck does not get warm whatsoever. Always is cold, even in the winter, especially now. I can't even like drive it around because it's just, it will never blow heat inside because the thermostat's always stuck open. So what we're gonna do is obviously swap out the thermostat. We have that, and we also have a coolant filter because we're gonna be kind of in there and the coolant's gonna drain out. We're gonna go through, put a coolant filter on there because we are already doing that, I guess, at the same time. So coolant filter is going to go on. We're actually going to do an oil change, oil filter, all that. Here's the little kit. Honestly, there's a million kits out there. Riff Raff's got one. There's a bunch of just blank ones. I just got a blank one because it was like $100 cheaper. But all of the kits are pretty much the same. Come with two lines. On this end, it's either one of these connectors or one of these connectors, T-fitting, couple clamps, two valves, and then this bracket here. It's pretty much all the same across all the kits. This one came with this Baldwin filter. Not a bad option, but it's just not what I want, or I don't want it to look like that under the hood. So we're gonna take this and throw it right in the trash, and we're gonna go for this cat coolant filter, 435 5142. Got this off of Amazon. There's a couple websites too that sell this filter as well if you're looking for that. That's what we're doing, and then we'll finally be able to fix the thermostat in this thing as well. And then we'll get some fresh oil in it, probably for the first time ever, and that should help out a ton too. guys, I can't even explain. This thing's probably really loud right now, but I can't even explain, one, how much better this thing runs off of the T6 rotella. For the longest time, I was dealing with a couple issues on this truck. Not sponsored. I bought the T6 from O'Reilly's, so yeah, not sponsored. I'm just saying, I put T6 in here, completely different truck. And I also, the other day, just put T6 rotella in here, completely different truck. Well, first of all, yeah, if you guys thought doing a oil change on a normal 6.7 Cummins was hard, doing an oil change on one with the compound turbos, the bigger boost tubes, and rerouted AC lines and all that. Look at where my filter is now. You can see it in there, but look at the color of it, guys. Boom. You can see there's a cat filter. There it is. Boom, cat filter. I think Mark DeCola made a TikTok and has this part number in it, but I picked that up and she's on there. Yeah, like I said, guys, it's very tight in there now with the compound turbo setup. It makes changing the oil on this even like 10 times more difficult. So I think next time around, what I'm gonna do for the next oil change on this guy is actually get the reroute kit. So I'm gonna reroute it either in the fender well or down near the transmission, like on the Fords. Not so much the 7.3s, but down here, probably more so like the 6.7s. Also check this out, guys. Look at that, we're finally off cold. This thing never came off cold ever. Even in the summer, like, it was just consistently cold, so the only thing I could think of is the thermostat was stuck open, and that indeed solidifies my case here. The thermostat was in fact stuck open, because now she's warm, well, not so much warm, but she's off cold, and we got heat blowing. Well, let me just give you guys a quick little sprint with this thing. Yeah. Look at that. But yeah, guys, this thing drives so much better on the T6, and not that the coolant filter does anything, but now that the thermostat is actually allowing it to warm up, this thing is just driving so much better. So yeah, guys, I don't know. Building this thing it's been crazy. Like I said, I bought it for pretty cheap, and now we're here. It's super fun, honestly. It's been a super fun project. If there's anything else I need to do to this is find an antenna. Obviously find some covers for that handle. And if I was going to do anything else to this, it would be, in fact, an upgraded H-pop and adrenaline or something, to actually now, with good oil, have the H-pop supply these stage 2 injectors with the best possible, you know, pressure and everything, I guess it could be. But other than that, we've pretty much touched everything on this truck, and that's just, I don't know, it's been really fun. And now that it actually drives so much better, like, I got no problem driving this thing anywhere. Stage 2 injectors, built transmission, holding all the horsepower we need. It is dusty underneath and needs definitely like a wash, but This thing is really, really fun. So yeah guys, there you go. Coolant filter install on a 7.3 liter Powerstroke. Honestly not bad. We fixed the thermostat while we're at it. Chances are if you bought a 7.3 you're gonna have that same thermostat issue anyway. So if it's something you want to consider doing, I would do it. Why not? Obviously it's just, I wouldn't say free protection, but it's like $100 and some protection to your cooling system. So literally, why not? Other than that, guys, if you enjoyed this video, shoot a thumbs up. If you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe, drop me a comment if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you guys in the next one.